Fernox is an extremely dynamic company to work for, and that's demonstrated by customer satisfaction being at the forefront of everyone's minds here. I'm Chris Kennedy. I'm the Director of the Supply Chain here at Wantage, where Fernox is manufactured. Not only that, but customer service and product quality are also extremely important. My role involves the purchasing of raw materials all the way through manufacturing to the dispatch and arrival at our customers. We manufacture in over 50 different types of Fernox products that service not just the UK but the whole of Europe in millions of homes. It's an absolute privilege here to work in Wantage. There's a great community feel with all of the people that work here from the local areas. Get to see them inside of work and also outside of work. It gives you a great buzz to speak to your friends when we're here on site.